Scientists, so happy Friday. Today we are going to do some work with graphing before we move on to our next phenomena on Monday. I'm really excited to start our next phenomena, but before we do that, we're going to work on some graphing because graphing is a really great skill to have as a scientist, but also just to have as a person. A lot of the times on the news you'll see graphs, so it's really important that you know how to be informed and know how to analyze and interpret graphs in life. So today we're going to do some work with that. What you're going to see up here are some directions. It says on Monday, we're going to start a new unit. In the meantime, we thought we could do a little fun practice, analyzing, interpreting graphs. So on this, it's going to be like a quiz, but not like it's pretty low stakes. So just do your best. So if you got 0 to 4 points, I'm going to say that's a not yet. So that means that I will send you a new quiz. We might schedule time for extra help for graphing. So just do your best the first time. It's very straightforward. So I believe that all of us can get at least 5 to 6 points on this. Each question is worth a point. So 5 to 6 points would be a mastery. So that allows a little bit of wiggle room for you to get 1 to 2 questions wrong. But then if you get all 6 questions right and you go for E-level, then you'll get exceeds on this assignment. So again, this is just kind of going to analyze our graphing skills. So this graph says relative importance in 2020 so far. So importance going up and down is less to more, and then left to right are the months. So we are right now in April, so that's where the graph is kind of leaving off, and it starts in January. So each color line is a different thing. So like you can see sweatpants is purple. So why don't you take a second to look at that sweatpants line and really figure out what it's saying to you. So we start down low, but then in March, it gradually gets higher. So you're going to want to look, what does that mean over those months? So the next couple questions will ask you a little bit about the graph. The blank axis is missing a title. A good one would be. So then you look back here, which axis is missing a title, and what title makes sense for that. Which best describes the importance of a car from January to April? So I would look at the car line from January to April and analyze and interpret that graph. So again, pretty low stakes, but just want to see how we're doing with our graphing skills before we move into our new unit, because we might be doing some graphing then. So depending on how you do with this, you might get some extra help, or I might see that you actually need a challenge for graphing. So this will give me some information, so do your best. If you get 0 to 4 points, you're at that not yet, I will reach out to you. We'll schedule a time for extra help, or I'll send you some videos, and then we will retake this assignment. So again, just do your best the first time, but I have full faith that all of us can get 5 to 6 points on this. Again, a little bit of wiggle room. So just try your best and email me if you have any questions. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all on Monday for our next phenomena. Bye.